What is a chronograph watch? You may have heard the term chronograph watch before, but what does it actually mean? A chronograph is basically a stopwatch function built into a watch. Unlike a regular watch that just tells time, a chronograph can measure elapsed time like a stopwatch. This is my Tissot chronograph watch. You might be wondering why the main second hand doesn't seem to be moving. That's because this watch is designed so that the main functionality isn't the time, it's the chronograph. Let me explain. As you can see, the small dial at the bottom shows the seconds for the regular time, but the larger center hand is only used for the chronograph, the stopwatch feature. I can start the timer by pressing the top button on the right side. Now you can see the central hand starts moving. That's the stopwatch running. To stop it, I just press the same top button again, and then I can reset it using the bottom button. Now that I've stopped the timer, you can see the center hand has moved a little, and looking at the top left subdial, it shows 1 mark has passed. That means the stopwatch was running for about 1 minute. So I even put a stopwatch inside a watch. Back in the 1800s, before digital devices existed, people in Europe and America relied heavily on mechanical tools for everyday tasks. The chronograph became a very useful tool in daily life. It was used in kitchens to time cooking, by astronomers to track the movement of stars, and even by the U.S. Navy for calculating distances. NASA even used chronograph watches during the Apollo moon missions, since people needed to carry this timing tool with them wherever they went. It made perfect sense to build it into a watch. At the time, putting a stopwatch mechanism inside a wristwatch was a huge mechanical achievement. That's how the chronograph watch came to be, and why it became so popular.